All right, let's do this. Helicopters are built for precision, but even the pros can make mistakes. From tense near misses to full-on disasters, these moments show how tricky flying these machines can be. Let's watch. Typical Red Bull pilot behavior. Glad none of the bystanders got hurt.
Yo! No.
And that's what you get for doing burnouts in a helicopter. Thankfully, the pilot and everyone around him remained safe. Not sure what the rescued person thinks about being spun like a Beyblade. This helicopter went out of control and crashed into the river. Miraculously, though, the pilot stayed unharmed during the crash.
Oh, sweet, look at that. You think it's the 10th Mountain Division?
GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording.
Oh, that one just crashed.
Oh my God.
Holy shit, it just crashed.
Oh my God.
I know. Too much upflow.
I hope people are okay.
I do too, man. Did both of them? No, just one of them crashed.
Oh my God.
Holy.
We're just coming in nice and eye level here to this spot. We want to make sure that as we're coming in for landing here, we're favoring the right-hand side, just in case anything were to go wrong. We have a bailout to the right if we run out of power, or there's sort of like an engine failure or anything like that.
Take notes, guys.
Right, so
This is how you calmly handle an engine failure and safely land the helicopter. Full marks for this pilot.
Whoa, engine failure. Ooh, all right. Shoot, okay.
Ooh, that was crazy.
Whoa, so mayday, uniform Echo Tango, okay. Thor, we're gonna be okay. I've got control here. So we're coming down, I see the Stave River down there. We're gonna come down and land on the Stave River there. Just controlling our RPM. Speed's pretty good. So I still have 80 knots. It looks like we're gonna make the spot. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna start gently slowing down for the auto rotation. We want 50 knots. And so I'm just gently bringing it down to 50 knots. We're controlling rotor RPM. It looks like we're gonna be a little bit short. So what I'm doing, I'm glide stretching a little bit. So I'm getting a little bit of that speed back again. Lower RPMs. Okay. And we're coming in. Alright, this is gonna work just perfectly right here. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna be okay. Woo!
Nicely done, man.
We did it, buddy. Oh my
We're
goodness.
on the ground. That
We're
was
alive.
insane.
This reporter risked her life just to get a good shot. Now that's what you call commitment to one's job. There's not much a heli can do in front of a storm as strong as that one. Does the plane pilot not see an entire red-colored helicopter in front of him? Thankfully, no one got hurt. What did that poor plane ever do to you?
You okay?
Don't worry, guys. The pilot's all good. The pilot dipped his tail and lost control of the helicopter. I'm happy to report that he was rescued unharmed. This heli pilot dipped his nose a little too much during landing and ended up damaging his landing gear. Thanks to all that snow, that was a rather soft landing.
Ты глянь, что делает. Бляха-муха. Разбился.
Well, what did you think was gonna happen? Something tells me this pilot's a pro at what he does. Bet he didn't see that coming. Move aside, people. This one's coming in hot. This pilot tried to land on a working deck but failed miserably. The boat crew managed to safely rescue the pilot. There goes your tail rotor, buddy.
Mas vai cair?
Caiu.
This pilot shows us how to refuel mid-air while carrying heavy loads like a badass. And we got another badass pilot refueling while carrying a fighter jet. This helicopter lost control while approaching the landing pad and crashed in fields nearby. The pilot remained unharmed during the crash. Not to worry, guys, the whole crew got out unharmed. This M26 ended up having a rather rough landing. The good thing is that the pilot came out unscathed from this accident. This is how you land on the edge of a glacier without any helipad or landing area. Things almost went horribly wrong for this pilot.
Olha os cabos em cima da casa, né? Os cabos estão caídos na água, né? Os cabos estão...
Not to worry, folks. The cameraman never dies.
Se acaba de caer el avión.
This rescue heli ended up snapping the power lines and dropping the crew near the shore. Who gave this idiot a pilot's license? That's a really smart way to trim the tree line. Is that another glitch in the Matrix? These Marines are going through helicopter flood training. Not cool, mate. Why would you do that? This pilot panicked when his helicopter started dropping RPMs, but still managed to land safely.
Svona verður farið með jærisin ykkar ef þið parkirið aðstæðlega.
Sir, I think you dropped your package. Thankfully, that car was empty. Someone tell this guy he's flying a helicopter, not an airplane.
Se cayó, no mames, lo grabé. Lo grabé.
The local authorities managed to rescue the pilot safe and sound. That was the mother of all hard landings. A flyby doesn't get any lower than this. That wraps up some of the most intense moments in helicopter history. Which clip surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible footage.